Hello everyone, welcome to a Small Terrible channel. Today we're going to have a tutorial on how to connect your Google Classroom to Bookwidgets. So, what is a book widget before we proceed? So, Bookwidgets is a website. Bookwidgets.com is a website wherein you can find here a lot of amazing, amusing, interactive, and exciting activities for your students. Alright, so before we proceed to that, let's first open our Google Classroom. So in our Chrome browser, Google Chrome browser, we type classroom.google.com. Press enter. Okay, so we are now in our classroom. Okay, so we are now in our Google Classroom. So for the first timer, if you still don't have your class, you just click plus and create class. If you're a student, you click again plus, then join class. Alright, so since we have our class now, just click on your class, then proceed to the classwork. So in the classwork tab, I'm so sorry for that interruption. There's a student coming over. All right, so in the classwork tab, you're going to create your activities here, just like that. Okay, then you are going to, you can add file here from Google Drive, from YouTube. Right. Okay, so besides that, we still have another option. Okay, for us, if you find this icon here, you find another interactive activities. You want to find another interactive activities besides this one here. So all you have to do is you go to google.com, then you look for Bookwidgets extension. Bookwidgets extension. Click on the first in your search result, then add to Chrome. Add extension. Add to Chrome, then add extension. After that, so you have this icon here, that's the Bookwidgets icon. So let's go back now to our classroom. Let's just refresh. After you refresh, how to refresh? You just click on the search bar, then press enter. After that, you select here create. As you can see, there's already the Bookwidgets icon. Just click on that, and you are going to dadun mo sa Bookwidgets website. Okay, then you can create widget here. Okay, in the Bookwidgets website, there are a lot of activities, games, worksheets that you can create for your students. My favorite is this worksheet. Yes, worksheet. So let's just load it up. Okay, so ayaw og ka hadlo kung prompted mo ginani nga box or sa inyong screen mo unay mo appear. Just click on add question, then select kung unsay ganahan nimo nga type of question. For example, arita sa fill in the blank question. Okay, so for example, ang inyong ibutang diri, fill in the missing term. is just an example, okay? For example, matter is made up of let's have another pure substances or pure substance can be elements or compounds. So for example, that one. And you want that these two words here, elements and compounds, are to be blank so that the students can fill it in. The correct answer, all you have to do is you put these two greater than and less than icon or symbol. Just that one. And let's have the preview. And Jiren, our worksheet. So it's blank already. So pure substance can be, let's try, compound. For example, na kuan, nagkabaylo. Submit. Send. Uy, wrong good siya. Kay kinahanglan nga mag-una jud si element o sa pa si compound. Okay, so it's up to you. Tarungan na lang yun og arrange ang imuhang question. Tarungan na lang yung hatag instruction kaya para po di maglibog ang estudyante. Anyway, kuwatra man ni siya nako karon. Illustration para unsaon ang fill in the blank question pagbuhat ani using the worksheet. Then napagilain gawa sa fill in the blank. Ganahan kaayo ko ani drag words. Drag words. Drag words. Then there's also the balancing chemical equations. Wow. Alright, so there are so many here in the book widgets. A lot of exercises that are very engaging, very interactive. It's all readily made for you as teachers para dili ta mahago pag-ayo. Dapat sad i-employ jud nato ang atong creativity, of course. We need to be very creative. Okay? We need to be very creative in making our engaging. This is my favorite, jigsaw puzzle. So the students are they have to arrange. For example, let me show you my jigsaw puzzle. I made already a lot of widgets for the first grading period. So for example, my jigsaw puzzle on this one. Where is the jigsaw puzzle? Okay, this one. For example, this jigsaw puzzle. This is very relaxing. If I am the students, I find this very relaxing and I like this part. Let's just try if we can answer these. Let's just finish this, okay? There you go. And after the student do it perfectly, there's the congratulations. Right? That's how Jigsaw puzzle is. So for example, we're done with it. Oh, where is it? Okay, we're done with it. Okay, we're done creating it. All we have to do now is, there's the widget. Let's go back. Okay, for example, you have your widget already. All you have to do is you're going to share it. Okay, so all you have to do is you're going to, for example, this widget, all you have to do is you share, click share, then you select the class. Then, for example, make this activity. This will be sent to your class. Then you may write here due date will be tomorrow. Then you're going to send to Google Classroom. As simple as that. Very, very friendly to teachers, and at the same time, your students will be very amazed and amused in that interactive activities. Okay, so thank you for listening. I hope I have imparted to you my knowledge regarding these book widgets and the Google Classroom. So for more tutorials, you may consider commenting down for us to do the tutorial. Thank you so much. Bye bye.